noticed the houseplant craze, I'm sure, and the rise of the plant parent. And I think one of the things that excites me the most is that, you know, we all want this younger customer to enter our stores and to buy our products. And it's clear that with houseplants, it's something that they're doing. They are buying houseplants in record numbers. They are stuffing their houses full with them. You know, I'm sure you've seen the article about the woman who has 900 plants in her apartment in New York City. So millennials are buying houseplants in record numbers. And so obviously we look at, I used to look at herbs as the gateway drug to gardening, but I think that it's really houseplants. Houseplants are hot. And they're becoming educated on how to grow houseplants, on what the best lighting aspects are for houseplants. And I really do think that, you know, this generation is called the renter generation because they've not yet moved into homes of their own, and maybe they'll rent for their whole lives, who knows. And that's great for us because they can't paint the walls, so how can they change their space? They can add plants. Now, of course, we want them to buy homes and landscape outside, but I think that will come when they get older, as they age. They're also called, this term plant parent is one of my favorite terms because I know a lot of people of this generation who are having kids later or choosing not to have children. And so if they want to make plants their babies, we will take them on. And you know, anything that we can do to help nurture that. You know, I know that the term nursery is pretty synonymous with our industry, but it's also synonymous with the plant industry. So if we're talking about plant parents, how can we make little nurseries or educate these plant parents on how to care for their new little plant babies? And you just follow the hashtag plant parents or plant babies or plant obsessed. There's so many hashtags about houseplants. So that's one thing that I'm really excited about for this coming year and the future is this houseplant craze, to see where it's going.